Every single time I place a trade, I get paid. Even when I lose trades, I get money paid back to me. It's crazy that more people don't know about this. I have a Discord community which you can join with over 1,000 traders in it, and when I shared this with them, it was shocking. Literally nobody had heard of this. Today, I'll be showing you how you can start getting paid up to $10 per lot traded, depending on your broker. Have you noticed that most traders obsess over their entries and completely focus on winning trades? Personally, I noticed that the best traders in the world trade defensively, which means focusing on protecting their capital and reducing their costs of business. Things like spreads, commissions, and sometimes swaps all eat away at your trading edge. I dare you to open up your trading platform and take a look at how much you've paid in commissions over the last few years. It's quite a shocking exercise. I did this with one of my trading accounts and I'd paid £1,000 since I started trading on it. This is an account where I have £4,000 profit total. So that extra £1,000, it's an extra 20% profit on my total. Commissions is something that a lot of people kind of think are just completely unavoidable, but there are some tactics that the top traders use to be able to reduce these costs. This is how I encountered Forex rebate services, which I only started using around 12 months ago. And in the last 12 months, I've had £100 paid back to me. Now that doesn't sound like a huge amount, but that's 10% of what I've paid in commissions on this one trading account. So imagine if you've got a really large trading account or an account where you're trading a lot of volume, you can get so much back in commissions. A 10% reduction is nothing to turn your nose up at. This is literally free money that most people are just leaving on the table, and I'm going to show you how you can start getting paid back some of your commissions in just a few minutes. Before we get into it, let's consider how rebate services actually work. Brokers, they make their money through commissions, spreads, and swaps. These are all dependent on how much volume you trade. The rebate companies, they're kind of like affiliates. You inform your broker that you want the rebate service to be your referrer, also known as an introducing broker or IB. Then the rebate service will start receiving commissions for every lot that you trade with that broker. What they then do is they send the majority of those commissions back to you, which you can withdraw at any time. Different brokers have different affiliate schemes. On one broker, you may get paid quite a large amount of commissions back to you, whereas other brokers, you may get a certain amount of dollars per lot. Your spreads, commissions, and swaps all stay exactly the same. So your trading conditions don't change by joining a rebate service. You just start getting some of your commissions paid back to you, which reduces your cost and increases your profitability for no extra effort. And note, this is based on trading volume, the number of lots or contracts that you're trading. So it doesn't matter if your trade wins or loses. It's entirely dependent on the size of the trades you open. The bigger your trades, the more you're paying in commission, and the more you're paying in commission, the more you're going to be receiving as cashback from the rebate service. By the way, 70% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If you want to learn more hacks like this that are used by the top traders in the world, join the 30% and subscribe down below. Let's take a look at how much you can actually earn using a rebate service. Let's do some hypotheticals here. So they have a whole list of brokers here, and you can see how much they offer based on either dollars per lot, pips per lot, even a percentage of your commissions returned back to you, like in the case of DNA Markets right here. My personal trading account was with IC Markets, and they will pay you back 37.5% of your commissions, or with a standard account, 0.4 pips per round turn. But there are other brokers that will pay, 40% of your commission, or they pay a flat rate like this one, which pays 24. There was one up here which did $18 per round turn lot. So let's take a look at their rebate calculator over here. I'll put in GBP because that's what my trading account uses, and we'll put in IC Markets. We'll do rebate per lot. So let's say you opened a 1 lot trade, you would get £3 paid back to you. Now, I don't know about you, but I find myself trading quite a bit bigger lot sizes than 1 these days. A lot of my trades, at least on the JPY pairs, can sometimes be up to 30 to 40 lots. Let's take a look at that as an example. So I'll put in AJ, we'll leave the rebate per lot the same, and we'll do a 30 lot trade. So if I traded 30 lots on AJ, I'd get back £60. That's a nice evening meal out, you know what I mean? So it's well worth doing this. It takes a few minutes to set up and it's so easy. So which rebate service should you choose? Based on my research, when I was looking into this, undoubtedly the most popular one is PaybackFX, which is owned by MyFXBook, which is a super reputable analytics company. They have a really long list of supported brokers and they even support some prop firms, which is really interesting. So I personally use this company. I don't make any money from recommending them to you. This is just what I have been using and what I can vouch for in my personal experience. They have a lot of different payout methods and they've been really reliable so far. Talking about prop firms, by the way, if you're looking for a prop firm challenge, I highly recommend taking a look at the 5%ers. They're one of the oldest prop firms in the industry. They're super reliable. I've received nearly $10,000 in payouts from them and I just can't recommend them enough. I recommend them in every video. So if you're looking for a prop firm, I'm going to leave a link to the 5ers down below. How do you set up a rebate service? Well, it's super easy depending on your broker. The easiest way is if you're setting up a new trading account, just go on PaybackFX's website, look at all the brokers and use their affiliate link to sign up. This way, they will automatically be your introducing broker. The rebate service will start receiving your commissions and you can withdraw at any time. And this will all happen fully automatically just by using the link on their website. So it's probably more likely that you've already got a trading account. And if you do already have a trading account and you have no introducing broker already, which means you signed up directly on the broker's website and you didn't use any affiliate link to join, what you can do is you can contact them directly, use the email template provided by PaybackFX, and then your broker can change your introducing broker using the referral code given by PaybackFX. Once that's done, it will all be linked up and you'll start seeing your commissions appear in the rebate service dashboard. Now, there is one scenario where it gets a little bit more nuanced. So if you already have a trading account and you registered for that trading account using an affiliate link, so that means your account is already linked to another introducing broker, whether that's your friend or a company that's referred you to that broker, you can't always change the introducing broker if you've already got one. So in that scenario, I can only recommend contacting PaybackFX's support, and they've got pretty good support from what I can see. They've got good documentation, FAQs, so I definitely still explore whether this is a possibility. Worst case scenario, you can just set up a new trading account, just move everything over. It's crazy that most traders have no idea that this exists. Please share this video around, help out another trader, and let's start getting some of our commissions paid back to us from these brokers. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, leave a like too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.